So you just started driving for Uber or Lyft and you need to know what rides is worth it and what rides you should do and what rides you should avoid by all means. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the like button and tune in to all videos where I give free game on Rideshare. So we just go and get into it. Let's go. Exhibit A. Is this a good ride or a bad ride? Time's up. It's both. You see, this is the way you see it type of ride. The way you see it, would you drive 7 minutes to somebody to drive them 3 miles away? Look at the miles. It's a double up. You double up like it's $2 per mile. It's literally 4 miles in total. If you on your grind driving 11 minutes to get to somebody, it's not for $8.70, damn near $9. Is basically a double up. So if you see, sometimes 11 minutes will take you out of your way. You all the way in another part of the city, especially Philadelphia, so it's going to take you out of your way. Go pick somebody up to take you out of your way again. You feel me? Sometimes it's literally a whole 18 minutes away from where you really want to be. And 18 minutes for $9 ain't bad. A little long, but it is worth it if you on your grind. It's only 3 miles to get to the person and 1.4 miles to get to their destination. And sometimes you could go to the person and then come and bring them back closer to where you already are. So this is a depending on the way you see it type of ride. Now, Exhibit B. Is this a good rough? No. Hell no. You don't even got to answer it. I don't care what they 5.94. Who cares? $1 extra. That ain't shit. First of all, 53 miles. Number one, and you probably have 2 tolls. Okay? Easy pass or not, this isn't worth it. First of all, it's over 1 hour, which means it's going to be 1 hour and 2 minutes, means it's going to be 1 hour and a half. Tops. They already scamming because it's $1 per mile. Anything $1 per mile is not worth it. $1 per mile is not worth it, especially doing Uber. Driving 10 miles for $10, think about that. That's not worth it. You always want to double up. Now, if this was 25 miles for $54, you even feel different about that. You would do that because it literally will be a half an hour ride, probably 40 minutes tops, for $54. Think about it. 1 hour, $54. But no, nobody's driving 53 miles away and then driving 53 miles the hell back. Even if you want to put a little 10 in this for gas, it wouldn't be worth it. So no, these rides you avoid by all costs. You feel me? Now, anyway, we're going to go into Exhibit C. As you see right here, number one, that's 4.5 miles towards the person, 6.9 miles to their destination. Hell no. I don't care if their destination was the real heaven. Hell no. 13 minutes to the person, which is already that's already half the bread right there. 4.9 miles. That's more. And then 18 miles, 6.9 to Huntington. Huntington? Sound like a place they kept slaves. Hell no. You understand? So that's right there. If you could clearly see, if I'm right here, why would I want to drive that far to that? And when you look at the map, you can see if it's taking you further away from where you already are or bringing you back to where you already are. And apparently I'll be driving further to the person, picking them up in the blue, and then driving them further into the abyss. Nigga, no. We avoid these type of rides right here by all means. It's not even a double up. That's 6.9 plus 4.5. You feel me? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all you need to know. You feel me? It's about 12 damn miles. Hell no. Now this one right here, $6.87 sweet cent. 9 minutes to the person, 2 miles. 13 minutes to they. Nope, not a good one. First of all, it's depending on how you see it, but no, I would avoid this one. First of all, it's 2 miles towards the person. These miles, people be thinking miles are sweet. Wait till you're driving 2 miles to somebody. You could be kind of tight sitting in the car, like, damn, am I there yet? Is this even worth it? Then you cancel after about 5 minutes of driving to the person because you like, I am an idiot, or this feels ridiculous. I shouldn't have to drive this far to pick somebody up, and I ain't even get them in the car or to their destination yet. This is one of those, I feel stupid because it's number one, if it was 3.5 miles total, like it took you 6 minutes to get to them, 6 minutes to their destination, that's double up on the miles, 2 miles, $2 per mile, worth it all day. But it's not. You feel me? This is one that you avoid by all costs. You want to know the best rides to do doing Uber? Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because I'm about to reveal to you the truth. The real, the very real, only way to really make money like the old days. The best rides to do, and it got to be a little busy, little popping, but not really popping that much. It don't got to be no bonuses or nothing. The best rides to do on Uber is this. I don't know if this is some type of secret. $5, the $5 and $4 rides that be about 1 mile or 2 miles, maybe even 3 total, be the best rides that you could do with Uber. I'm telling you now, I done racked it up with these type of rides. They come in frequently because Philadelphia, the blocks are close. Most people just be going around the corner sometimes. And their lowest default is $4.24 in Philadelphia. So you can do, boom, one $4 ride, two $4 rides is $8. $8 is something. $4 ain't something. But $8 is something. If somebody owed you $8, you would want your $8. You feel me? So it's kind of like when you think about it, like, all right, I do this $2, $3, $4 rides or four $4 rides, that's $16. You feel me? That's close to 20. You just gotta think of it. Every $4 rides is $20. Most people is going around the corner and stuff, so you can make $20 damn dollars in the hour easily with $4 rides, especially when they coming in frequently or it's mad busy or it's in the morning or whatever, waiting for these type of rides sometimes, or when the it's like the surge is going on and people just going 2-3 miles away. Those are the best rides because sometimes the surge going on, these 2-mile rides turn into $10, $15. You grab the ride, turn off the app, so your surge still be there when you turn it back on. And if you're doing 10-minute rides, you drop that person off in 10 minutes, turn the app back on, you get another ride that's going 10 minutes away. Boom. Next thing you know, you looking at it, and when the surge is going on with these type of rides, and you only made damn near $60, $70 in the hour. So you can, sometimes it's 45, 50 in the hour though, that be love, because you only doing 10-minute rides going 2 miles away. So anything that comes in that's a small ride, rack up the small rides. Do something like write down how many small rides you actually got or how many small rides you have to do, and that'll actually help you come up with better earnings. I want you to think about this. Most cars, when you do rideshare for long periods of time, got car problems. Sometimes your air might not work, or your tires do some screeching thing, or your tires just doing the you feel me? Your engine might not be running as well. Transmission might got a little sound to it. You feel me? Like somebody got a blow dryer on? No, that's me. You feel me? Sometimes your car might not get long distances. You feel me? Sometimes you might just need a little bit to make a lot. You feel me? That's why small rides be the best rides. Them joints be quick and smooth. It be over before it's even started. You hop in, boom, oh man, it's gonna be a long ride. By the time you say that sentence, that ride be the fuck over. You're not caught in traffic. You're not caught in crazy situations where if the passenger lady got an attitude, I ain't gonna say specific race, got an attitude and get in the car. You feel me? You ain't gotta worry about her attitude too much because the ride is over in 5 damn minutes. 10 minutes tops. How much can they ask? What they need a charger for a 7-minute, 10-minute ride for? What they need a charger? You got a charger? No, do you? Okay. hit them with the lie. Oh man, people be stealing my chargers, or they stole so many of them. But anyway, who got time for them long rides, getting caught in traffic? You driving from one part of the city to the next for $10 ending up in forests like this one, all for $10. You crazy? Uber done changed. Most of the rides that I showed you in the beginning of here, that's the real rides that be popping up every day, and it's gotten so bad that these are the main ones you're going to see. So you got to dig out the good ones, and the good ones is the old bad ones. That's where Uber and Lyft is. Especially Uber. That's where Uber is in 2024. So, in order to grind, you gotta maneuver and be strategic and smart. And the Uber do not care about your acceptance rating. Everybody go Uber Pro once, and that's to get that $300 bonus, and then get that $150 off of that card that they give you. They give you the debit card and stuff like that. You get $150 on that joint. Some people pay it back, some people don't. Who give a damn? It's Uber. They get us every day, so get their ass. Because then when you go down under Uber Pro, they stop asking for it and leave you alone for a while. But your credit fucked.